Hello, my name is Milan, and this is for Lab A7. I am in Group 9 with Juan and Rahul. And over here, we just have the board, just using the board and connecting it to the computer here. And then we have the terminal showing up here. And just a quick note that for blinking mode, I do have the escape sequence here. It is just that through PuTTY, you have to do it through the startup window, enabling the blinking. On PuTTY, you're not able to do it through this escape sequence. So I do have it here. It just won't do anything because you have to do it through the startup window for blinking. And yeah, so yeah, this is the code here. So we just have some methods here, some prototypes, defining some directions and other stuff. Position of the character that we're going to show when the game appears. Some initialization, we're testing some of the functions out. Then we define some of the functions here, like the setup, the printing, different types of graphics, like the title, movement, fireworks, and the interrupt handler for typing in characters. And so that is the code. And so right now I'll go through this demonstration of the different functions here. So for example, like first we'll see the cursor will go down 3 spaces and to the right by 5 spaces. So I'll show that. So we have this here. So it does that, and then it'll print out this text. And then it'll go down 1 to the left 21. This will happen, and then returns the cursor. And then it'll print input. The screen is cleared, and then now we have the graphics showing. So here's the splash screen. Then we wait for 5 seconds. And then the screen will clear. So now we have the character here. And then now we will test out just how the different colors are working. So first I'll put it to red. You can see the character turns red. Then I'll test out green. So then the character turns green. And then I'll test out blue. So now it's kind of hard to see, but the character is blue now. And then we'll return it back to white. So now the character is white. So now we'll also test out just the movement. So you can see characters moving around. And then we have the upper boundary here. When it reaches that, it just jumps back down to the lower boundary. You can jump back up. And then same thing when it goes to the left. It just hits the boundary and then goes back to the right. Another boundary there. So yeah, that is the character movement here. And yeah, so that's everything. Yep, thank you.